Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to our second coronavirus getaway vlog in Albania. Today we're gonna be hiking and exploring the Laguna Nartes nature reserve near the city of Vlore. Let's get into the vlog. So as you saw, they built a bridge through the lagoon onto the little island where you can find a little monastery, but you cannot hike through the island. There is a fence all around monastery, so we just decided to hike up on the nearest hill to enjoy the sunset. I'm next day doing some fast running repeats on the beach in Vlore. I try to keep my running training to twice a week, Tuesdays being fast runs and Friday being the long runs. Here we went back to the Lagoon Nature Reserve. This time we're gonna explore the other side where there should be more hills to hike. Here we got down to the lighthouse where you find this little bridge, so we're gonna try to stand on it, but the waves are splashing quite vigorously here. One thing we noticed straight away about this nature reserve was that it was completely deforested with herds of sheep and cows everywhere. Even though you get a nice views from these cliffs down to the sea with the waves splashing down, still don't think there is any protection going on in this nature reserve. Here we are getting till the end of this ridgeline where you have to be really careful because there are steep cliffs on both sides. Descending down to the beach, we have this information table about the sea turtles. They have a nesting places here. I guess that's why they call it protected area, but I don't see any protection here. I saw a fisherman here, cars passing right through the beach. There are herds of cows, sheep and goats literally everywhere.
Support reach.
Wanted to make a loop around this little lagoon where we see more forest, but we couldn't see any path around there, so we just returned back through more hills. The insane deforestation was not enough. The forests that are left are full of trash here. Though Albania is really bad for environment, especially forest, we should still enjoy what's left here. Just be grateful that we are alive and we can travel to some warmer country and not be freezing our asses in the Northern Europe. If someone who is not vegan yet and is watching this, I hope you realize the insane environmental impact of meat consumption, especially for people who advocate for free-range meat and animals just grazing freely on the grass. They don't realize how much space these animals need, especially cows. They just need acres and acres of land. All that land has to be deforested so the grass can grow there. Animal agriculture is by far the leading factor of deforestation worldwide, especially in the rainforest of Brazil. But even here in Albania, almost all the forests are gone. We haven't seen any proper forests yet, and I think maybe even half of the country is still living off of animals like in the Middle Ages. But I hope people will realize the mistake before it's too late and before all the forests are cut down so we can raise few cows to have some meat from them. Anyways, stay tuned for future videos from Albania, and as always, stay healthy and stay adventurous.